What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're doing a walkthrough video on the Scout 240 Dorado. First thing I want to point out, the back platform here. You have tons of space where you can walk full beam of the boat right across the transom. You also have some sea deck that's going to match the pattern scheme of this boat. We have two-tone gray interior upholstery as well as a shark gray hull. Got a Mercury 300. You have the option to add a ski tow pylon right here in the center, as well as your fresh and wild water pump hookups here. You have your beach boarding ladder on the starboard, as well as all the seating you can see. You have plenty of cup holders and rod holders. This is a great fishing boat, entertaining, very versatile. Some of the fishing options, besides rod holders, you have a live bait well over here on the port side. As I mentioned, cup holders on either side, this aft lounger. So we kind of have it more in an entertaining mode right now with all the seats out. These seats, if you want to do a little bit of fishing, have some more deck space, can just be tucked away. So now you have tons of deck space back here. You have your bilge access, which was underneath that aft seat. Very large compartment to be able to get down there. As we move forward, you'll notice under the gunnels here, you have a spot where you could tuck a fishing pole, maybe a pole hook, or a brush. On the port, you have this lounger, which is in the forward position. Also have some storage, which you can pull out the center part of the cushion, as well as having a drain down there. Use as storage. This, simply lift it up. You can also move it in aft position depending on how you want to configure the boat. Over here on the starboard side, you have your sink configuration with a Yeti cooler, dedicated storage. You can pull up on the latch, and this simply slides out. You can access your drinks, and then slide it right back in on the tracks, and it's tucked out of the way. Your sink, cutting board, as well as some storage. Really nice countertop, matches the gray color scheme we have going on this boat. So also, back over here on the port with this seat that you can slide forward and aft. You also have the captain's chair, which can be spun around. Then you actually have a table, and you can have people sitting on both sides of it. It's a great entertaining feature on this boat, as well as having some cup holders around here. Definitely not a lack of storage on this boat. As I mentioned, the storage in this seat. You also have some storage in the center deck compartment here, as well as more storage forward. Now, walking over to the helm, you can see the Scouts are going to be configured with Garmin electronics. You can go Mercury or Yamaha. This one's equipped with Mercury. We've been seeing a lot more Mercuries on these Scouts. So that's great to see. You have your fusion radio, your Mercury vessel view, as well as some other controls. Now, the captain's chair is bolstered, so whether you want to set up higher, say above the windshield, or if you want a little bit more leg space, just drop that bolster down. You're also protected from the wind here. Another thing I want to point out, where all this seating is here, you have a nice large hard top, which you're gonna get sun coverage from. No cheap Bimini top, that's all hard top. Now, over on the port, more cup holders. You also have this compartment here, almost like a little cubby where you can tuck phones. There's also a phone charging port here, so you can plug in your phone, have it here, so it's not going to be sliding around. Now, as we go forward, as I mentioned before, with wind protection, being able to sit down, can actually close off this whole area. Simply latch that, latch this, and this has a latch over the top. Secure that. Now you have a lot more wind protection here, so maybe it's a cooler day, you're out on the water, you don't want to be having as much wind coming through here and everyone's sitting entertaining around this table. You can close this off. So before I put this door away, on this side you have storage, and then on the port you have a large head compartment for a 24-foot boat, as well as a sink down there. Moving all the way forward, you have this great entertaining area. You can see really how deep this bow seating is up here. You feel very safe and secure, as well as it being deep gunnels. You have this handle on both sides. So if you want to be facing forward, you can actually drop these seat armrests down, sit like a lounger, and you have this handle to be able to grab onto and feel even more secure, as well as some gel audio speakers up here, so you can be up in the front, still enjoying the music. No matter where you are on the boat, you're still gonna feel like you're a part of the party. So all the way forward, we actually have rod holder cup holders here. So I really like these, big fan of them being a fisherman. So you don't have to give up a cup holder or a rod holder. You actually get the best of both worlds. So you can still put your drinks in here. Then you have the rod holder attachment at the bottom, so you can have that dual purpose. So this is your forward anchor locker. You have a dedicated spot for your anchor, which you can lock in place, as well as some more cleats up here. If you want to see this boat, come by MarineMax Jupiter or call us today and ask for Chad.